Hey humans, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. Now this is products that are new to me or just new in general. So I got my little bag here ready to go. It's really hefty. Now I don't have everything in the bag because everything wouldn't fit in the bag. But these are like online orders, in-store pickups, whatever, that's what it is. So here's what we got. First things first, I already took this out. I swatched this already. But I have the Danessa Myricks Lightwork 6 Volume 6 Freedom Palette. I love this palette. Like, look at her in all of her glory from way back here. It's only... There's no mattes in here. This fully customizable. I'm scared to take it out of the thing because you can't really tell what color it is once you take it out the back. But this palette is genius. So if you hear that noise, it's my chair. Next, I got a new concealer. It is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie Concealer in the shade 70 NN, which is neutral. Hopefully this concealer works for me because I'm on a concealer hunt. Because my concealers are great, but they're not. Oh, this looks a little light. It's a highlighting shade. It's great, but I need better concealers. All right. Moving on, I have the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade 75, which is Hazelnut Deep Golden. Now, this is probably not my shade, but the shade underneath it wasn't neutral, and I'm like neutral golden, so it's like it's a win-lose situation for me. All right, moving on. I have the Moisture Repair Balm Serum. I burned through one of these in the last spring. In the spring, I burned through one of these. Like, used it every day. Took it to travel. Took it on the plane when I went to Orlando. It was wonderful. I love that product. Like, this is my backup. I'm already using one right now, so this is my third one right here. Love it. I'll continue to purchase that. I have the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder for face and eyes. I have the shade 9.5, and I'm hoping this matches my skin. Let's see, it has Upsolite in it, and it's supposed to be something that creates a soft focus on pores and fine lines, because I have a lot of fine lines under my eyes. If you can look in here, and it's like it causes things to crease and gather. Even though I set with powder, we still have an issue. That's my Myricks product that I have is the Color Fix Mattes in the shade Carrot Cake, because I wanted an orange blush. And I know you can use this on your lips, your blush, your lips, your cheeks, eyes. So this is my new orange blush. And I cannot wait because I love an orange blush. I have the Danessa Myricks Line Work eyeliner. Now, I'm not an eyeliner person because I have wrinkly lids and I was born that way with wrinkles on my lids. So me trying to draw a straight line, I have to like pull my face to one side just to do it, and I don't want to do that. I just don't want to do that. All right, let us move on. Urban Decay. Again, I love the Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara. I doubled up. Doubled up. Love it to death. Also from Urban Decay, this is new to me. This is the Urban Decay Moon Dust. 3 blushes. The first one is an It Cosmetic blush. It's in a glass. I did not know this was glass. So this is called Sun Blush. No, it's a Sun Blush, and it's called Sun Ray in the shade 40. And I'm not opening it. I think this is like an orange blush. Yeah, this is an orange base blush. Is this? Yeah, it's an orange blush. There we go. Next, I have the Fenty Beauty Fenty Cheeks in the shade Lollipoppy. This is suede. This is suede. Oh, thank God. Let's see. Hyper Impact Ultra Smooth Texture, lightweight formula for diffused finish. Cool. And it tells you to recycle. That's nice of them. And I keep it for only a year. How nice. But I keep my stuff until I can't use it no more. Next, I have the One Size Cheek Clapper Blush Trio in Rich Bitch. And I wanted another shade, but I was like, let me just try this. And it comes with a flex cream, a full impact matte, and a hyper sheen. Let's see, use your fingers or a brush. Okay. I'm looking forward to this. I'm about to do a video on One Size. I have the One Size. What does it say? Turn up the bass, full beats. I'm just getting into full glam makeup. Not full glam makeup. I'm getting into full coverage makeup. I'm not a full coverage person because I got flaws, but I ain't got that many flaws on my face. And I'm not used to having full coverage makeup on my face. But I have this in the shade 15 NG. I did try another shade from an employee who referenced me to from Sephora, who said, hey, try this shade out. It looked nice in the store. When I got home, that was so dark. Like, she matched it down here. And I don't match my foundation down here. I match it to my chest. And my chest is significantly lighter than my neck and like this side. So, had to return that and try again. Next, I have the Patrick Ta foundation, Major Skin Hydrolux Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation in the shade 26N. Oh, medium coverage. Oh, that's right up my alley. Yes, it's a whole lot of ingredients here. Compared to Patrick Star's only 16 ingredients, this one has 1 million. All right, let's move on. This is the Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Naturally Luminous Long Wear Foundation. Now, this came out a long time ago, but I could never find a shade for me. And in store, $4.50 looks good. We're gonna find out. But I've tried $4.20, $4.30, $4.45. And this is like the matte foundation, not the luminous foundation. So we're gonna see. A full size of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I heard this was like the setting spray to get of all times. That's the setting spray. Oh wait, I forgot. I got this one too. This is a little mini of the One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. Let's see, shake well, blah 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 blah. Transfer proof, smudge proof, all day wear. We will find out because I heard good things about this, and I'm not really a matte face person, but I want to see what the matte look looks like on me. So when I went to Sephora, it was 5 times the amount of points on mascara and lashes from Sephora brand. So I got the Love to Lift, what's it say? Love to Lift mascara. And I got 2 fragrances. Now I don't have the box for either one of them because I snatched the box off and smelled it. But I have Ellis Brooklyn's Miami Nectar in the small mini. And then I have Valentino. What is this? This is what I don't like about Valentino. You can't read this. What does it say? Whatever. It's the green one. Fuzzy. It's the green one that looks like this. I love this because if you drop it, this is not going to crack. Like, this is actually, let me push this up if I can without breaking my nail here. This is actually a case for the perfume. I like it. Ellis Brooklyn, hint hint. All right, but those are all the products that I have from Sephora recently that are new to me or new in general. And I'll be doing videos on most of this stuff. So thank you guys for watching. If you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And peace and blessings. Bye.